All right, let's have a look at Three Little Birds by Bob Marley. No capo necessary for this song, and need your says there's oh they have chords way up here. Oops. Nah, we're gonna do the basic chords in this song. So on a tab, if you see weird looking chords way up the neck, don't worry about that. We'll do the basic chords so you can enjoy the song. Someday, if you want to learn those chords, I can show you, but don't worry about those for now. So you need an A chord, your regular old A, from the 5th string down, you strum, and a string 4 fret 2, 3 fret 2, and 2 fret 2. D, regular D, and an E chord, all 6 strings, string 3 fret 1, 5 fret 2, and 4 fret 2. And our strum pattern, 1, 2, 3, 4. The strums are off the beat, so notice I didn't go 1, 2, 3, 4. I went 1, down, up, 2, down, up, 3, down, up, 4, down, up. So it gives us a reggae feel, and this is a great example of reggae. 1, down, up, 2, down, up, 3, down, up, 4, down, up. That's going to be the strumming all through the song, and it just depends on how many times you do it for each section. So I'm going to go through the intro and the chorus and then talk about it. Here we go. All right, so you do quite a few of those patterns in the intro. 1, 2, 3, 4, 16 times. But don't count to 16, just count to 4 times. That's way easier. And then the intro starts 1, 2, 8 times. I'm sorry, it starts with the chorus, not verse 1. So it starts with the chorus, my bad. And then the D 4 times, A 4 times, but then you stay on A 1, 8 times, and then D 4 times, and then there's an A, and you can consider it the end of the chorus or the beginning of the verse, but it comes before the singing starts, so see exactly what happens there, because that's really confusing. Yeah, what I would do is write in an A at the end of the chorus, like where it says gonna be all right. Just write an A in there, because you're gonna do 4 times on the A, and then you do 4 more times on the A at the beginning of the verse. We'll talk about that in a sec. By the way, you notice I'm stopping the sound in between chords. I'm using these 2 fingers here to do that. You could use your right hand too. Let's see. Yeah, touch the strings, all 6 strings with the side of your hand. That's actually probably more effective. Yeah, and you get a little percussive sound there. 1, 2, 3, 4. That little thing there. I kind of like either way. I'm used to doing it with this hand, but you can do it with your right hand. That might be easier for you. So now we're getting into verse 1 here. Oops. Back up a little bit further. That's so nice and easy. In the verse, you just give every single chord one strum pattern exactly. Yeah. That is correct. I'm just double checking. Yeah, in the verse you give every chord one strum pattern. And then we're into the next chorus already. Wow, just like that. This is a message to you. Chorus. 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4. 4 more. Oh no, 8 more. 5, 6, 7, 8. D. 2. And then there again, at the end of the chorus, write in an A where it says gonna be all right, because you're gonna do 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you get into the verse. So make sure you write those in at the end of the choruses, because there is an A chord there. And they left it out. That happens. It's all right. Let's see, what are we on? Verse 2? Yeah, here's the end of the chorus with that A. All the verses are the same, one strum pattern per chord. And the outro is nothing but the chorus twice. So there's that song. Okay, so I make it sound like it's easy. It's not easy, because you got to get this feel down. The 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's going to take a little practice to get that down. The 1, down, up 2, down, up 3, down, up 4, down, up. All right? That's how I would count that. 1, down, up 2, down, up 3, down, up 4, down, up. And then apply it to your chords. All right, so, but it's super fun song. Just have a good time with it, and hit me with any questions anytime, and thanks for watching this video.